the 5 deadliest air crashes in history. The last one might just shake your soul. Number 5. Air India Flight 182. This flight was destroyed by a bomb planted by Sikh extremists, causing the Boeing 747 to disintegrate over the Atlantic Ocean and killing all 329 passengers and crew. The attack led to a global overhaul of airport security, particularly in baggage screening. Number 4. Turkish Airlines Flight 981. In 1974, this crash occurred after the cargo door of a McDonnell Douglas DC-10 failed due to a design flaw, causing explosive decompression that severed control cables. The aircraft crashed into the Ermenonville forest, killing all 346 people on board, prompting significant changes in aircraft safety standards. Number 3. Charkhi Dadri mid-air collision. In 1996, a mid-air collision between a Saudi Arabian Airlines Boeing 747 and a Kazakhstan Airlines Ilyushin 276 occurred over Charkhi Dadri, India, due to the Kazakhstan crew's failure to maintain altitude. The crash resulted in 349 deaths and led to the mandatory installation of traffic collision avoidance systems on all commercial aircraft. Number 2. Japan Airline Flight 123. In 1985, this flight suffered an explosive decompression shortly after takeoff due to a faulty repair on the rear pressure bulkhead. Despite the crew's efforts, the Boeing 747 crashed into Mount Takamagahara, killing 520 people. It remains the deadliest single aircraft accident in history and highlighted the importance of aircraft maintenance. But before revealing the most tragic one, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1. Tenerife Airport Disaster. The Tenerife Airport disaster in 1977 is the deadliest aviation accident in history, where 2 Boeing 747 collided on a foggy runway at Los Rodeos Airport. Miscommunication between the KLM captain and air traffic control caused the collision, leading to 583 fatalities. This tragedy brought significant changes to aviation communication protocols. Have you ever been in a situation like these? Let me know in the comments.